Hello friends, this is Rahul Chore and you are watching my YouTube channel. So today I am going to make video on how to use these commands of AutoCAD 2022 version. So let's say we'll start from here, and the videos on the previous commands, as you can see my cursor, I have already made on my YouTube channel. You can get on my YouTube channel. Okay, for that you have to subscribe my channel and go to in the playlist and the video list. You can get all the basic commands of AutoCAD and the Creo. So in the next content is my to focus on how to use this erase command, how to use this explode command, and how to use this offset command. So in today's video we will cover all these commands. Okay, so without wasting our time, we will start. For using this erase command, first of all we need to draw some objects for getting this erased. So first of all, take the rectangle command and draw some rectangles like this. Okay, I have drawn over here some rectangle by AutoCAD 2022. Click on this erase command. Okay, and just put your cursor over that object. If you wanted to delete or erase the specific object which is drawn separately, you can delete that object like this. Here you can see effect of that. Just click on the object and press the enter. The object has been erased successfully. Okay, now the second command is explode. So what is the meaning of this explode command? As you can see in this notification on the display here, in the first object, okay, and in the second object. If you observe the second object, this object is generated by using the polyline, or we can say this object is in the form of total joint. Okay, not in the joint form, but in the continuous form. If you are going to select, I will show you directly on the screen. Okay, so first of all, just take this rectangle to rectangle. If I am going to select this rectangle, so the rectangle is selected. Okay, so but I wanted to make this object into small elements. Okay, or want to be exploded. It is called exploded. Like when if the condition is that when I am going to select this edge only, so only this edge should be selected, not the whole rectangle like this. Okay, so just escape and just click on this object, select this object and click on this explode command. Okay, now the object has been exploded. Here if I am going to select this edge, so single edge is selected by the system, as you can observing. Okay, like this single line you can select, not the whole rectangle is getting selected by the system by using this command of explode. So this is the magic of this command. Now next we will see this command, offset command. Offset means here you can see all the meaning of the offset command is hidden in this symbol. Here this is the symbol. Here meaning of the offset command is you can create the same object around that object. Okay, so how is this happening? I will show you directly through this command. I have already drawn this rectangle and will show you how the offset is command is acting on this. Just select this rectangle and click on this offset. Okay, the system is asking me in command prompt offset specify offset distance. So at how much distance it should be offsetted from this. Okay, around this rectangle I wanted to be 5 mm. It should be offset. Just put the 5 and enter. Here you can see system is asking me if you have taking the offset. So in which side you wanted to have a offset of the rectangle, whether it should be in the inner side, whether it should be in outer side. System is showing the pre-display of this command. If I am taking my cursor outside, so it will show the outer reflections, and if I am going to inside of the rectangle, so the system is showing inside reflections of the object. If I but I would like to it should be outside. Just move your cursor outside and click. The object has been generated. And system again asking offset select object to offset or exit. Okay, select object to offset or exit. Just click the enter. Okay, now this offset rectangle has been generated like this. So this is all about this, all the commands you can. I think I hope you have learned this command through this video. Thank you for watching the videos, and kindly subscribe to my channel and share your friends, so it will also helpful to your friends for improving your knowledge in AutoCAD. Thank you very much, friends.